Welcome back to Mind Ticklers. Today we're playing Pick One, Kick One Animals Edition. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's play quiz. What's your pick, a dog or a cat as a pet? Do you prefer large dogs or small dogs? Which do you think is cuter, a bunny or a hamster? Would you rather have a pet snake or pet lizard? What do you like more, birds or fish? Which animal do you think is smarter, dogs or cats? Would you rather to have a horse or a pony as a pet? Do you prefer fluffy dogs or short-haired dogs? Which do you think is more fun, a pet rat or a pet hedgehog? Which one you prefer? Do you like rat or mice more? Which animal would you rather to have as a pet? Would you rather to have a pet parrot or pet canary? Pick one, pick one. Rabbit or guinea pig? Which animal do you think is more loyal, dogs or cats? Would you rather to have a pet goat or a pet sheep? Do you prefer pets that can swim or pets that can climb? Which animal do you think is more affectional, dogs or cats? Would you rather to have a pet hamster or a pet gerbil? Do you like rabbits or ferrets more? Which animal is more intelligent? Which one you prefer? Which animal do you think is more mischievous? Which one you prefer? Do you prefer pets that are quiet or pets that make noise? Would you rather pet a skunk or pet raccoon? Which one are you prefer? Which animal is more graceful? Which animal do you think is more playful? Pet alpaca or pet llama? Which one you prefer? Which animal is more curious? Which one you prefer? What do you like? Which animal is more adventurous? Pet monkey or pet ape? Which one do you prefer? Which one is more social? Which one you prefer? Thanks for watching. Click on these videos and play more quizzes.